Welcome to Weir Reading Virtual Storytime for April 21st, 2025, Part 2. Today's theme is Earth Day. Earth Day Every Day by Lisa Bullard, illustrated by Zhao Zin. Chapter 1. What a mess! My name's Trina. I'm an Earthling. I live here on planet Earth. So do trees and bees and manatees. Unless you're from Mars, you're an Earthling too. People don't always take good care of our Earth home. We do things that hurt the Earth. We make the air dirty. We throw away too much. We waste power. Mom says people should clean up their own messes. Earthlings made this Earth mess, so Earthlings should fix it. It's a job for everyone. Chapter 2. Miss Big Mouth. My brother calls me Miss Big Mouth, so I used my big mouth to help the Earth. Last week, I asked everyone I know to plan something for Earth Day. Today was finally the big day. Earth Day happens once a year on April 22nd. On that day, people everywhere remember to help the Earth. Earth Day also reminds us to take care of Earth all year long. My teacher taught my class how to plant trees. Everyone got to help. Someday our trees will grow to be much taller than we are. They'll make good homes for the birds. You can also plant special gardens to feed bees and butterflies. And trees and plants aren't just helpful for animals, they also clean the air we all breathe. My friends formed an Earth Day club. We had our first meeting at lunch. Earth's problems mean problems for animals too. Even my favorite tigers are having trouble. So our club decided to save money to help animals. People have formed many groups to help animals in trouble. The groups find ways to protect animals and the places they live. They study the animals to figure out new ways to help them. You can learn more about these groups on the internet. Ask your teacher or a parent to help you look. Chapter 3. My Family's Earth Day. My family and neighbors had an Earth Day trade. Everybody brought stuff they don't need anymore. We traded for things we want. Mom wouldn't let me trade my brother, so I traded an old puzzle for a soccer ball. It's better for the Earth when we reuse old things. Reuse means to use something again. Then it doesn't end up in the trash. You also don't need to buy new things. Trading and reusing helps the Earth. Now my family is having a special Earth night. We turned off the TV and the computer. That way we don't use as much power. Instead, we're playing board games. My dog Daisy and I are winning. Using power can make the air dirty, so turn off lights and machines whenever you can. Play outside instead of playing video games. Saving power helps save the Earth. Maybe you can use your big mouth too. Together we can talk to everyone about helping the Earth. We'll ask people to make it Earth Day every day. Then we can all find other ways to save the Earth tomorrow. The end. We're going to decorate a seed cup and actually plant some garden beans. And what you've got in your craft to go kit is a cup. This is just a paper coffee cup. You can reuse one from Starbucks if you want. You'll have a paper towel and 3 seeds. I have 2 black seeds and a white one. You might have all white or all black or a combination like I do. And some soil. And this will go into the cup after it's decorated. So the first thing we're going to do is decorate the seed cup. Now I got markers here with me. And I think I'm just going to make some hearts in different colors. So I'm going to go ahead and decorate this, and then I'll come back and show you what to do with the seeds and the paper towel, and then finally the soil. Okay. Okay. Okay, my seed cup's all decorated. I have 3 hearts and some lines and some dots. I'm gonna put that aside for now. And I'm going to deal with my seeds. First thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and put the dirt in the cup. And this is a soil potting mix. And it's not gonna go all the way to the tippy top. It's just gonna have some. And I'm gonna throw away that bag because I can't get all the dirt out. I should really recycle it if we can. You could rinse it out really well and use it for other crafts. I always try to reuse my bags. Okay, so the soil's in there. Next thing we need is the seeds, but what we're gonna do first is we're gonna sprout the seeds. So we'll take out our 3 seeds, put them aside, and we're gonna take, this is water in here. I'm just gonna dip the paper towel in there and wring it out so that it's damp. We don't want it soaking wet. We're gonna open it up and we're gonna put the seeds inside. And then we're gonna put them back into the bag. Oops, they're rolling off. So we're putting the seeds inside. And this, we're gonna put them back in the bag. And then we're gonna put them in the sunlight. And in 5 to 10 days, you'll have some sprouts. So I'm gonna take that and I'm gonna go put this in the window. And in the meantime, I already did that actually about 6 days ago. And this is what I have now. See how the paper towel's still wet because it gets condensation in the bag from evaporating in the sun and coming back down. I open it up and I have these seeds and they're sprouted. See the roots coming in? There. And this one's really sprouting well. You can see that. And I'm just gonna put them down in the dirt. Make sure they're covered up. And once they grow some, we can plant them in the ground outside and grow some garden beans for dinner. So I'm covering them up. They're all covered up. I'm gonna add a little bit of water and put it back in my window. We don't want to drown them. Just a little bit of water will do it. And when that dries out some, we can give them more. And then in a few days, you'll have actual sprouted plants. Make sure they're covered. There's a stick in there. That's all you do.